My name is Rashti. Today we're here at a very interesting fast food joint to add a new collection to our lane. It's called the Bombay fries. So they offer more than 20 different types of fries, going beyond the traditional salty fries with ketchup. The outlet is located on Salunkhe Vihar Road in Pune. They originally started in Mumbai, and the Pune branch has fries like you won't find anywhere else. And they have very cute interiors, and it's a popular hangout spot for teenagers. They have cartooning all over the walls. So come, let's check out the place. So we're inside this cute and trendy little outlet, and यहाँ पे काफ़ी सारे options हैं, vegetarians and non-vegetarians दोनों के लिए. Oh, they have this very interesting thing that's called tornado. So I think I'm gonna order this. So this is the salsa cheese tornado, which almost looks like a potato that has been stretched out and fried on a stick. It smells pretty amazing, and it has a barbecue sauce and cheese sauce on it. So I'm gonna try this. It's very crunchy, like for those people who like a lot of crispy things. And the cheese sauce is really amazing. It has a nice twist to it, and it's very different. Who came up with the French fries? And where are the French fries from? So the French did invent the hot air balloon, and they also made the Statue of Liberty for the United States, but they didn't make the French fries. French fries actually come from Belgium, where the villagers used to go fishing, and they used to eat small fried fish that they got. But during the winters, what happened is that the rivers would freeze. So obviously they couldn't go fishing, and then came the potatoes. They used to cut the potatoes and slice them and fry them and prepare them in the same way that the fish was prepared. And then came the French fries. So I have ordered ambu fries and chicken strip fries. अब ये जो नाम है एम्बू, ये काफ़ी इंटरेस्टिंग है क्योंकि ये डायरेक्टली एक शहर से आया है जो यूटोपिया में है. यहाँ पे मुझे दिख रहा है कि लेयर्स ऑफ फ्राइज़ है, जहाँ पहले एक फ्राइज़ का लेयर है, फिर उसके बीच में चीज़ सॉस का लेयर है, और एक और फ्राइज़ का लेयर ऊपर है जिस पे चीज़ है, और सॉसेस भी 4 टाइप की है. यहाँ पे दिख रहा है कि चीज़ सॉस है, चिली सॉस है, एंड पेरी पेरी सॉस एंड बारबेक्यू सॉस भी है, ताकि ये फ्राइज़ जो भी खा रहा है उन्हें काफ़ी चटपटे लगे. नाउ let's come to chicken strip fries. So this basically looks like they have 2 types of sauces here. One is the chili sauce, and यहाँ पे मुझे cheese sauce तो दिख ही रहा है. ये बहुत interesting और अच्छा combination दिख रहा है मुझे fries और chicken का. तो I'm gonna try this. This is very nice, very freshly cooked chicken, very soft. The flavors go very well together. Okay, I'm gonna try the ambu fries now. This is definitely a little different from the previous one because the chili sauce is standing out a little bit more. Nice. This is very nice. Personally, I like this more for the vegetarians. हाँ, मुझे ये ज़्यादा पसंद है in spite of being a non-vegetarian. तो ये फ्राइज़ का पोर्शन काफ़ी फिलिंग है and it's very tasty. So to neutralize the chilliness of the fries which I just had, I've also ordered a Nutella shake. And you can see the bottle is very cute. It looks like a small beer bottle where the Bombay fries is written. This is really good. So basically, this place is a lot for a lot of French fry lovers. Like everybody who loves French fries should definitely visit this place. So guys, I really like this place. The food was amazing, and I'm definitely gonna come back here to try a few more flavors.